In today's digital world, data is the new gold, and financial organizations need to generate real time insights from massive amounts of continuously growing data points. Welcome to VAR India News. AI offers tremendous potential for the financial services industry. AI has the potential to identify areas of improvement, new revenue opportunities, and trends that might otherwise be missed. But successful AI initiatives are only possible with the right technology stack. AI can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, reconciliation, and report generation, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. AI can streamline back office operations by automating tasks like document processing and fraud detection. By automating tasks and improving efficiency, AI can help financial institutions reduce their operating costs. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to assess creditworthiness more accurately and effectively, making loan approvals faster and fairer. AI can analyze market trends and identify investment opportunities that might be missed by traditional methods. AI can help financial institutions identify and manage risks more effectively, ensuring compliance with complex regulations. A McKinsey report suggests AI driven tools have increased portfolio returns by 15% and reduced management costs by 20% in 2024. 70% of asset management firms are investing in AI according to Deloitte Insights, highlighting its growing adoption. Protecting sensitive customer data is paramount. Robust security measures are essential when using AI in finance. AI algorithms can be complex and opaque. It's crucial to ensure transparency and avoid bias in AI driven decisions. Automation through AI might lead to job losses in some areas of the financial services industry. Reskilling and upskilling the workforce will be important. As AI and machine learning technologies evolve, their role in asset management is expected to become even more significant. This will likely lead to further innovation and superior outcomes for investors. Let's look into today's headlines. Meta launches certified subscription packages for Indian companies. In India, Meta launched verified membership tiers with verified badges, improved support, impersonation prevention, and more discovery tools for businesses on Facebook and Instagram. Plans started at 639 rupees a month for one app and went up to 21,000 rupees for two apps during the initial promotional period. There were four different subscription options for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Google's Weeds app using AI to streamline video presentations. Weeds is a new productivity software from Google that uses Workspace Labs and Gemini AI to make video presentations. With Weeds, users can easily combine documents, videos, and slides into a seamless sequence. Workspace admins can encourage users to test this feature by pointing out that it's really simple to use. If you can make a slide, you can make a video in Weeds. ID5 unveils suit to assist companies in adhering to the DPDP Act. A privacy and compliance suit has been released by online identity verification platform ID5 to assist companies in fully complying with the Digital Personal Data Protection Act. The previous suit from the Mumbai-based business will include modules for permission governance tools, personal data discovery solutions, and immediate compliance checks. Since its founding, ID5 claims to have served over 1,500 clients and performed over 2 million verifications every day. Telecom Minister discusses about sectoral growth with Ambani Mittal and other leaders. Key players in the telecom industry such as Akash Ambani, chairman of Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, Sunil Bharti Mittal, founder and chairman of Bharti Airtel Limited, and Akshaya Mundra, MD and CEO of Vodafone Idea Limited, were among the people with whom Union Telecom Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia held meetings. They worked together to plan and delineate the telecom industry's future course of expansion. India talked about fostering cooperative telecom sector growth while preserving the interests of the country and its citizens. Microsoft and Google provide NVIDIA chips to Chinese enterprises. According to a report, the cloud divisions of Google and Microsoft are giving Chinese companies access to NVIDIA's AI chips by supplying data center services in places outside of China. Amidst growing security worries about artificial intelligence, the Biden administration has taken steps to stop Chinese companies from using advanced semiconductors and other US technology in this field. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.